YouTube branding is needed to stand out from the crowd on YouTube. This video will cover 7 ways to brand your YouTube channel successfully. Choose a great YouTube channel name. YouTube branding starts with your YouTube name. This is your brand name, so it should be memorable and unique. You can choose a nickname that plays on your real name, or you can make up a fun name that's associated with your industry or niche. It's not too late to change your YouTube name. Go to settings and then click edit on Google. Give your channel a new name and then confirm. Add a brand tag to your videos. When adding keywords to your videos, make sure you include the name of your brand at the end of the list. Doing this in all of your videos will help YouTube understand that they are related and should increase the likelihood of your own videos appearing as related videos on the YouTube watch page. Here you see a few examples from this channel. I include the word promote online videos as a tag in every video. Get a custom URL. Did you know that when you reach 100 subscribers, you can get a custom URL for your YouTube channel? Apparently, and not a lot of people know about this. I was surprised to see that some YouTubers with over 100,000 subscribers still don't have a custom URL. It's very easy to create a custom URL for your YouTube channel. Having a memorable URL which is consistent with your YouTube channel name is a great way to brand your YouTube channel successfully. Branding the YouTube channel banner. Your channel banner can do much more than simply showing off your logo. This is prime real estate to start educating your viewers on what kind of channel you are, how often you upload, and possibly share some helpful links. Adding this information helps the viewer to understand the value your channel presents, and in many cases will be the difference between gaining or losing a subscriber. Use a visually appealing icon. Channel icon is one of the most important branding elements. It visually represents your YouTube channel across all online platforms. A channel icon appears besides your comments, underneath your video, on the watch page, and on the main channel page. Establish a social media presence for your YouTube channel. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, all are incredibly powerful tools that you can use to grow your YouTube fan base. One of the basics when branding your social media channel is to keep your name same across all channels. Of course, if your name is taken, then you have to improvise. But that's one of the reasons businesses sign up to social media the right way, so that they can use their name. For example, here you see the Pinterest account that I've created for this YouTube channel. Be consistent with thumbnail design. Thumbnails are one of the most important branding opportunities on YouTube for both search and suggested results. When you use a consistent thumbnail design, whether that be the same layout, color palette, or person in the thumbnail, it helps establish your brand and improves recognition in the suggested video panel. Now you know 7 ways to brand your YouTube channel successfully. These are very easy to do, so I hope you give them a try today.